This is JOHNNYSAMOA.
2 coins. What? Nothing? Nothing. Okay. I will take this coin here, put it in a hand. I want to take this coin here, together. Now, I'm going to make them disappear and vanish into thin air.
My friend, here's a very simple coin routine you can do with just 2 coins. We need the 2 coins. Now, you don't have to do that. You just use any 2 coins. And here how the trick is done, my friend. You have 2 coins, right? You throw one onto the table, you throw the other one on top of it. Yeah. Be sure they click, right? We want that click sound to register in our spectator's head because we're gonna use them, my friend, to trick them. Yeah, right. I have 2 coins. You separate them, right? The right hand. I'm gonna take this coin here and put it in this hand, and I'm looking at you. I'm gonna take this coin here and put it together. I'm gonna make them disappear and vanish into thin air. Well, they are busy. Oh no, where did it go? Where did it go? Where did it go? You just reach into thin air. Alright, now let's break it down what just happened here, my friend. So when you throw the other one on top of the other coin, you separate them, right? Your right hand, it's going to take that coin like this towards the edge of the table and put it out. Alright. Now, few things happening here, alright? When I reach over to take this coin, be sure your legs close now, alright? Because what we're gonna do, we're gonna drop this coin onto our lap. What? Okay, we're gonna drop this coin, but this is another important thing. See how my hand is like an L? Love, yeah, love. Please, love. Thumbs up this video, man. Yeah, love. See that? When it's taking this coin back, when it gets towards the edge of the table, my thumb's gonna go shoot, shoot, swing down, alright? Yo, love. It's like, you talk too much, man. You talk too much. Get on with it. Okay, sorry. Shh, you talk too much. I'm looking at it, and I'm pretending I'm putting in this hand. I'm not pretending. I'm believing, you know. I believe. You gotta believe you're putting in this hand. Now, you know it's on your lap right now because you just dropped it on your lap here, right? You know exactly where that coin is now. Now you're gonna take this coin here while I'm looking at the coin. I'm looking at the coin, and then I'm looking at you. Alright. Now I'm gonna put this hand on top of this coin, because at the moment it's over here, right? We're gonna bring it over here because what we're gonna do next, we're gonna drop this coin on top of that coin, like that. Yeah. Alright. This hand is, just pretend it's catching it, alright? Now there's a gap here. Okay. Now I don't even worry about this gap no more because I believe you are not going to see it. So the timing, but if you're worried about them seeing, all you gotta do is let your hand touch the table and close. Then it looks like this. This coin here, be sure your legs are closed now. I'm gonna take this coin here, put it in this hand. I'm gonna take this coin here, put it together. Now I'm gonna make them disappear. When I say that, I move my body forward, so at the end of the trick, when I do the it's gone, alright? Now you can do whatever you like, but that's how I do it. Now when they're, you know, oh my god, where did it go? Whatever way you want to do it. Okay, my friend, if you like this video, man, give it a thumbs up, okay? And don't forget to subscribe. Come on. make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell.